Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make a liquid animation like this. This is a Cartoon Animator 4 project, and you will learn how to do this liquid animation. So the first of all, you have to get all the raw material like the class, the background and the brush, so you can download all of this from my website is ctasoft.com, and you go here, then you go hit the button download now, or you can donate me, and I'm very happy. So this is our project, and today I will show you how to do that. First, you see that liquid is very smooth. You see that? Yeah. And the first, we have to create new project. So this is a new project, and the first, you go to actor, template, character, electricity, and you find the sunflower Z3 okay, this is the sunflower character. Yeah. So you go to the composer mode, and now here we will delete all the parts that we don't need, and we go to delete it. Yes. All of this stuff, all of this layer we will delete because we don't need them. Just what we need is the contrastor of the Z3 city. Delete them all. Back hair, we delete the back hair. Yes, just keep the face. Just keep the face, because this part we will replace by a glass. Yes, you will replace. Yes, glass. So this is our glass. You resize it and move it down and make it bigger like this. Okay, easy, right? And we have a glass character, but we use it like a brush, doesn't matter. So we turn it off, this window off, and then we have it. So we need a way, we need a liquid, a water, yeah, like water, and we go to create water. So you go to file, new in Adobe Illustrator, file, new, 800 and 500. Hit OK, and then we create liquid pen tool. Alright, very easy. Okay, and like this. So you feel the color is blue. Yes, and turn off stroke like this. Okay, yes, and we will resize this smaller, and then you could make longer, right? And we have it here. I already did, right? And we drag and drop to import. We click the face and click add image, and then we choose this. So we import this image to the character. Yes, and then we switch. Yes, so we have it. The idea is, in the stage mode we could not use the match, very important option, but it's not supported in stage mode, but in composer mode only in Tree City. It have a massive, very powerful, so we use it like a character, but it's not a character. And then we make it bigger, bigger, like this. Yes, so we go to Tree City Hit Creator. Yeah, you turn off show point, and then we go to quick hit setup, whatever. Yeah, you see the animation like this, right? Okay, we apply. So in here we got the Tree City Hit Creator, and we create Tree City like this. Yes, and this. Yes, and this. We make it bigger. Yes, and this. Yes. Okay, easy for everyone, right? Easy, then you create a new character. So here we make it bigger, and then this, the other side, this. This and this. So we check. Alright, and now we turn on the matte up wave layer. Okay, and we preview it. Yeah, we have this liquid animation, very easy and smooth. Yes, any position we want. Okay, and that's we finish our new character, but it's not a character. So we back to stage mode and we check with 2D motion key editor on and fake key editor. Sorry, fake key editor. You see that? Yes, yes. Rise and down, raise and down, moving, right? Easy. So we check with the timeline. You see the mouth of the sunflower, just because we delete one layer but not all of them. So if you careful, you need to delete all of them. It's the mouth. We just delete one layer and the other still remains, so we have to delete all of them. Easy, right? Easy. So, and we here, but when you see the project and you know that we have the class E turn around like this, but the liquid still remain the wave, and this is not what we want, right? The liquid with this angle is not what we want. Alright, so what we do is make a new angle. So you click on the glass and go to sprite editor. You press add new sprite and you add this. Yes, we have it. Yes, you can easily change the state of the glass by sprite editor. You see that the liquid inside still remain the same way. Yes, the horizon, yeah, still remain the same way, and you can do the animation by click and drag your mouse. Alright, yes, like this. Okay, very easy. So the next we will make our project. Need 0 and we the background like this, -1 we lock. Alright, then the brush markerless, duplicate, resize, turn. Okay, 0 -1 and background -5. Okay, -1. Turn, and resize. Okay, like this, something like this. It's good. And then we do the animation. Press F3 to open timeline window, and then we drag to 50. Yes, 50. And then we go to fake key editor. Yes, the one default key, and we sprite normal, right? Face key editor. So also sorry, default key sprite, and then we go to 50 fake key editor, and we make our animation like this, right? Oh, okay. 50 and 100. Yeah, okay. Yes. And now this, when we turn the glass, 100 right here, so we go to transform, and then we turn the glass. No, then we change the sprite. Okay, and then we turn the glass. Go to fake key editor, and we raise the liquid like this. Yes, and go to 200 on the transform. Yes, and the animation is raised. Yes, so this is our liquid animation, simple and easy to do by using Cartoon Animator 4. Yes, we got to 400 and 350. Okay, so this is the tutorial show you how to make a liquid animation by using Cartoon Animator 4, but we not use as usual add a prop, but we create this class like a character, because just 360 character have the mask. In the stage mode, you don't have the mask option. The only mask option is in the composer of the 360 character. So we create a prop with the constructor of the 360 character. That's okay, just the reason what we want, right? So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please subscribe on my YouTube channel and like this video. See ya.